Man needs God because he is both finite and flawed at the core of his existence, yet created with an infinite yearning for purpose, connection, and meaning that transcends his limitations. God is the ultimate source of truth, love, and strength, a divine anchor in the stormy seas of human uncertainty, suffering, and mortality. Without God, humanity is adrift, seeking significance in fleeting pleasures, temporary achievements, or shallow distractions. God provides a moral compass, grounding man in an unchanging standard of righteousness and justice. He heals the broken, redeems the lost, and fills the void that no amount of wealth, knowledge, or power can satisfy. Through God, man finds identity as a creation of divine love, hope in the face of despair, and eternal life beyond the grave. God is not merely a concept, but the living answer to man's deepest cries for belonging, peace, and eternal purpose.